This is a brief presentation on the NWEA and content areas for City Hill Middle School. This presentation contains information on how teachers can address instructional practices in the middle school content areas. This is an introduction to guiding practices. What is the NWEA and what does it mean to me? This question will spur dialogue to get teachers' understandings of what the NWEA is and how it applies to their students and their teaching. Teachers can discuss how the results of the assessment can assist in guiding instructional practice in the classroom. What we see on reports. Student reports provide relevant information for teachers, such as the student's Lexile range and their RIT scores. Each student is also provided with a breakdown of where he or she performed within literature, informational text, and vocabulary acquisition and use. Within the content areas of science and social studies, informational text contains key ideas and details, and craft and structure. Teachers can use the NWEA's Continuum of Learning resource to see the breakdown of the RIT scores and expectations for each level. This can be used in order to group and differentiate instruction based on student need. On this screen, through the NWEA, you can see the display of the RIT scores for each student by band, and then under informational text you can also click and you get a collapsible menu of what skills to reinforce, to develop, and introduce depending on the band, the RIT band. And as you can see, as you go to the higher bands, the skills, the developing and the introduction of skills becomes more lengthy and more in-depth. The sample text is provided so teachers can see how text is set up and how the sample questions relate to a deeper understanding of the text. Samples of social studies text are also provided, so teachers can see how the text is set up with different question types. A list of resources has been provided, so any teacher can use this tutorial to help develop instructional practices and lessons to aid in a deeper understanding of close reading of content text.